Want to personalize your Xumo Stream box home screen? It's easy to reorder your apps. First, navigate to the app you want to move. Then, press and hold the OK or Select button on your remote until the app icon has a glowing border, which indicates you are in edit mode. Now use the arrow keys on your remote to drag the app to its new location on the home screen. Press OK again to save the new location. It's that simple. This updated drag and drop functionality is more responsive since the firmware 4.2 update. If you have a touchscreen enabled model, you can directly touch and drag app icons. Take your Xumo Streambox organization a step further by creating app groups. To create a group, enter edit mode like before and drag one app icon on top of another. This automatically creates a new group and is a great way to categorize your apps by genre. You can create up to 10 custom groups with a maximum of 20 apps per group. Also, if you have apps you rarely use, you can hide them from the home screen in the settings menu to reduce clutter. Make sure your Xumo Streambox is connected to Wi-Fi for all customizations to sync properly. With these simple tricks, you will have a personalized and well-organized experience.